Hello again and welcome along to this video tutorial where I will be showing you how to use Read and Write Screenshot Reader to read back your online exam, your online assessment and so forth inside CIT Canvas account. But as well as that, Screenshot Reader can also read text anywhere on the screen. So if you wish to have text read back in a PDF document online, if there's text within an image that needs to be read back, Screenshot Reader is the solution. So to use this, you go up to the Read and Write toolbar and you press Screenshot Reader. Then we go to the text we wish to have read back to us. I will create a nice frame around the text, keeping the left mouse button held down. Then I release the left mouse button.
This quiz will test you on the video you have just watched and your understanding of it. You must score 80% or higher to continue.
And that is basically it in terms of the core feature of it. If you wish to have that particular text read back again, you simply press the play button. And if you wish to pause the Screenshot Reader midway through, you simply go and press the pause button. So to move on to the next section then and play the next piece of text within your document, press the X on that, you go back up to the Screenshot Reader, press that again, and go back and create the frame around the next piece of text you wish to have read.
This activity will take approximately 15 minutes.
So that is the end of this video tutorial showcasing how to use Screenshot Reader, and thank you for watching.